Example 10.18 is I think it's a 3-mark question basically. So they have given that a pair of dice is thrown 10 times, right? And if getting a doublet is considered a success, you have to find the probability of 4 successes and no success. Okay, I'm going to use binomial distribution here because the number of trials n is a definite number. It is not a large number. If it is a large number, we will use Poisson distribution. Since it's a definite number, I'm going to use binomial distribution. Okay, and also you know that like for a tossing of a coin or tossing a dice, you know that the probability of the success or probability of failure, whatever, is going to be the same. It's in case of a coin, it's going to be 1/2. In case of a dice, it's going to be 1/6, right? We are aware of what's going to be there, and it's going to be the same for every trial, right? So in also those cases, you will apply binomial distribution, right? But in this case, remember that number of trials is a definite value, right? Let's get started. He's asking you to find the probability when x is equal to 4 and the probability of no success, that is x is equal to 0, right? Let's do the first thing. Probability of x is equal to 4. Let's write the formula first, right on top. So my probability function is going to be ncx p par x q par n minus x, where x is going to be between 0 to n, right? Always remember to write down the formula so that you don't forget it. So let's do the first part here. So probability of x equal to 4 would be 10c4 p par 4. What is the value of p? He's saying that getting a doublet is considered a success, right? So I'm just going to write here. What is a doublet when you throw a pair of dice, right? You should get the same number on both your throws, right? I mean in both your dice. So this is what a doublet means. I'll get the same number in both my dice. So you totally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes. Therefore, my probability of getting a success P is going to be 1/6. Getting a doublet is 1/6. And the probability of not getting a doublet is going to be 1 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. Now substitute these two in this equation, right? So it's going to be 10c4 p par x, which is 1/6 power 4, and 5/6 power n minus x. So it is going to be 10 minus 4, which is 6. 10c4 is nothing but 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4, which is 6 factorial, into 4 factorial. And it will be 5/6 divided by 6 power 4 into 6 power 6. Just leave it as it is over here. Now let's expand this part. So it is going to be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. I'm not expanding further because I am cancelling it off with the 6 factorial. So it will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 power 6 by 6 power 4 into 6 power 6. So now I can conveniently cancel off these, right? So I'll get 210 divided by, I'm going to expand this 6 over here, right, into 5/6 the whole power 6. Okay, now let's see if I can cancel more here. They are both divisible by 3, so this will be 70 and this would again be 35. So I'll get 35 divided by 6 into 6 into 6 is 36 into 6 is 216 into 5/6 the whole power 6. You can leave it as it is, right? So this is my probability when the x is equal to 4. That is probability of getting 4 success, right? Now the next part is to find the probability of no success, right? When probability of x is equal to 0. Substitute it in the same formula. So you get 10C 0, P power 0, and Q, which is 5 by 6 power 10 minus 0, which is 10. So 10C 0 is 1, 1 by 6 power 0 is 1. So you can just leave the answer as 5 by 6 power 10. So very easy sum to grab for 3 marks. And you can also do this sum very quickly.